Hello, I am Aida from Shola Karachi Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe for a vegan tomato curry. It's called Timatar ka cut. I'll tell you all about it, but let's get started. It's a really beautiful dish, and the best part about it is that you can make it in advance and you can batch freeze it, and you can also use it as a base for lots of curries. So we start off the tomato cut with a trio of tomatoes. Tin tomatoes right here. Then I've got some fresh tomatoes. And now to give the tomato curry its really beautiful red color, I'm going to add just a little bit of tomato paste. I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger paste. Adding my spices, I've got some crushed red chilies, some salt, and some turmeric. To this mixture, I'm going to add my coriander. And that's it. For now, I'm just going to leave it on a very low heat. I'd say about an hour. Keep checking on it once in a while, and then we'll come back onto the tarka afterwards. So now that this has been simmering for about an hour, you can see the color is really nice and vibrant. This is a good point to just take it off the heat. You can then cool it down and freeze it, or you can continue on to the next step, which is what I'm about to do now. The word tarka means to freshen something up, and that's what this does to the tomato curry. We have a generous portion of oil. As you can tell, the curry had no oil in it to begin with. Start off by frying the garlic. Then you're going to add your curry leaves, your nigella seeds, and your cumin seeds. You want to wait till the garlic gets this golden, beautiful golden edge to it. I'm going to lift it off the heat and just pour it all over my curry. Cover it, let it infuse, and just before serving, give it a good stir. Now it's done. This is your tomato cut. What am I talking about? What the hell is wrong with me? Okay.